In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. Hi, hope all are doing well. Welcome to my channel, Basic Learning with SS. Dear, in this video, we are going to learn the use of modal verbs. If you have any doubts, you can clear easily. So, do watch the complete video. Let's get started. First, discuss what modal verbs mean. The word modal is derived from modality, which means mode or mood. Modal verbs are used to express certainty, possibility, willingness, ability, wish, etc. There are some types of modal verbs which are going to be discussed. May, can, could, should, must, would. Let's discuss the use of may. When a person asks for permission, may is used. Look at the examples. Madam, may I ask you a question? Sir, may I drink water? Ma'am, can I leave the class? And so on. May is also used to show a possibility. Take these sentences. Maybe you are right. Sarah may come today. If you work hard, then you may achieve your goals. The may is used to wish and to show blessings. For example, may his soul rest in heaven. May you live long. May you get success beyond your expectations, and many more. Come to the second modal verb, which is can. Let's see the use of can. Can is used to show capacity. For example, he can speak English. It means he has ability to speak English. Second sentence is, can you solve these questions? It is an interrogative sentence and asking about the ability, that have you an ability to solve the question? The third example is, I cannot understand your language. In this sentence, cannot is used to show incapacity. And do remember, cannot is a one word. Always write it as a whole, otherwise it will be a grammatical mistake. Next example is, she cannot cook. Second, can is also used to grant or to ask for permission. Now the question is, may is also used for permission and can is also used for permission. The difference is that may is used in a formal way and can is used in an informal way. For example, when you ask for permission from your teachers, from your organization, from your boss, you use may. For example, may I come in? May I ask a question? But can is used in an informal way, means with your friends, with your colleagues. Look at the examples. You can go, they can come to my home, she can attend the ceremony. Come to the third modal verb, which is could. Let's see the use of could. Could is used for polite request. Take these sentences. Could you please close the door? Could you turn the music on? Could you please fetch me the book? Can used to show ability in the past. For example, when I was younger, I could run a mile. He could not perform well last year. The third use of could is in narration. And as we know, could is the past form of can, and if the reporting speech is in past, we convert the reported speech in past as well. We will discuss the rules of narration in upcoming videos. Let's see the examples. She said she could sing a song. He said he could play the piano. Come to the next modal verb, which is should. Should is used to advise and for suggestions. Take these sentences. We should offer prayers 5 times a day. Sarah should not talk while eating. Should I leave now? Come to the next modal verb, must. Let's see the use of must. Must is used for compulsion. It means you are obliged to do the task at any cost. Take this sentence. He must apologize for his mistake. And we can also say you must admit your fault. He must give up his ego, etc. Must also used to show probability. Probability means when something is likely to happen. This term is used in that context. Look at the examples. You must go there. You are late. Your mother must be worried. He must listen to his elders. The third use of to show strong obligation. For example, his father is not well. He must take care of him. Parents must teach their children about etiquettes. The next modal verb is would. Let's see the uses of would. Would is used for polite request and offer. Take these sentences. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Would you like to play football? What would you like to have in breakfast? Would is also used to show unreal or imaginary situation, means the situations are not real. For example, I would move to Japan if I spoke Japanese. It's unreal situation that neither I am moving to Japan nor I am learning Japanese. The next example is, if I were rich, I would buy a luxury apartment. It's also an unreal situation that he is not rich and cannot afford luxury apartment, but he is expressing an unreal situation. Past habits and actions are also shown with the help of would. I would go out with my friends most of the evenings when I was a kid. My mother would walk us to school when we were little. Would is also used in narration. For example, he said that he would bring smartphone. John said that he would come tomorrow. Thank you so much. I hope you understand the concept of modal verbs, and if you have any question, do comment below. And one thing more, do subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll be notified about upcoming videos. Thank you. Stay tuned.